So, hello everyone. Welcome all. Greetings for the day. So, I welcome you all on the behalf of ACE Engineering Academy to the Toppers Talk with GATE 2021 Rankers. And look who is there in the house today. Tanmay Mahajan, who secured All India Rank 6 in civil engineering. I welcome you, Tanmay, and first of all, heartfelt congratulations for your hard-earned success. Congratulations, man. You made us proud.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay, fine. So, Tanmay, first of all, tell me about yourself. Like from where you did your BTech, your overall background, your family background, everything.
Okay, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, I'm from Chandigarh.
yeah.
I completed my BTech from Punjab Engineering College, Chandigarh in 2019. And after that, I started preparing for engineering services and GATE exam. My ultimate aim is engineering services only. GATE is a side-by-side option. So I just cracked this year grade. I got good rank by just preparing for engineering services only. And in my
Okay,
family, I have my mother with me.
okay. Great. So, if we talk about engineering services, I'll
Yes, sir.
just want to know that which year you started your preparation for GATE or ESE? Is it in
Sir,
a third year or after completion of your BTech?
somehow I started in my final year, but that was not confined preparation, like channelized preparation. It
Okay,
was like आधा अधूरा preparation था final year.
okay.
But after completion of my final year, I started focused preparation through ESC and GATE, and I gave ESC 2020, and I have just given interview also. In fact, yesterday was my interview, so I am hoping for the result. I'm
हाँ.
waiting for the result.
ओके सो मतलब आपका फुल फ्लीज प्रिपरेशन जो सीरियस वाला प्रिपरेशन जिसको कहेंगे वो आपका बीटेक के बाद आपने डिसाइड किया कि हम स्टार्ट करते हैं
Yes, sir. After completing my BTech.
ओके एंड बीटेक के आप में परसेंटेज कितने थे मतलब अगर मैं पूछूं आपको तो
Sir, my CGPA was 8.81.
ओके मतलब आप तो मतलब ब्राइट किड हो ऐसे बिलोंग कर रहे हैं 8.8 इज वेरी गुड सीजीपीए राइट
So thank you, sir.
जबरदस्त मतलब बहुत ही अच्छा आपका एकेडमिक बैकग्राउंड रहा है उस हिसाब से
Thank you, sir.
और अगर हम पूछेंगे अभी कि व्हेन आप प्रिपेयर कर रहे थे तो आपका
Yes,
मेन
sir.
फोकस जो था वो इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज पे था
Yes, sir.
और
My
आपने
main
ऐसे
focus.
गेट में जो है आपका रैंक वो मतलब निकला है
Yes,
तो
sir.
क्या हम उसको एक्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं कि जब हम ईएससी इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज के एग्जामिनेशन के लिए प्रिपेयर कर रहे होते हैं
Yes,
तो
sir.
विल गेट इमेंस अमाउंट ऑफ बेनिफिट इन गेट एग्जामिनेशन आल्सो
Definitely, sir. We will definitely get a lot of benefit in GATE exam, because sir, GATE is a subset of engineering services, if we can say. Engineering services is a superset of all exams, not only GATE.
राइट
So if we prepare for engineering services, we will be get prepared for all the competitive exams that include that requires technical knowledge. In this case, civil engineering.
राइट क्योंकि इस साल विच एवर द कैंडिडेट्स हु सिक्योर्ड वेरी गुड रैंक and I'm interacting with them. So we came to know that most of the students are serious about engineering services,
Yes,
and
sir.
by default, while studying for engineering services, they secured a rank in top 10.
Yes,
So
sir.
it's a very good point that you mentioned. Those students who are appearing for GATE also, they also must look into engineering services syllabus or something questions. It definitely gonna help them,
Yes,
right?
sir. Yes, sir. In fact, this year some questions which were included from new subjects like construction management and all,
Okay,
they were the topics from which the questions were already asked in previous years of engineering services mains. So the student who had already completed those questions, that is mains question,
right.
he or she would have easily solved those out of the box questions that came
Very
in GATE
correct.
this year.
वेरी करेक्ट गुड
Yes, sir.
तो जब आप इंजीनियरिंग सर्विसेज या गेट आपने सोचा कि मैं गेट भी इस साल देता हूँ और
Yes,
गेट की
sir.
प्रिपरेशन भी करता हूँ
Yes,
तो
sir.
जनरली क्या होता है कि स्टूडेंट जो है वो मैथमेटिक्स जो है और क्वांटिटेटिव और रीजनिंग जो है
Yes, sir.
उनकी तरफ थोड़ा सा ध्यान कम देते हैं बट इफ यू
Yes, sir.
कंसीडर इट कंसिस्ट ऑफ 30 मार्क्स आल्सो बिकॉज मैथ्स
Yes, sir.
कंसिस्ट ऑफ 15 मार्क्स एंड
Yes,
देन
sir.
रीजनिंग एप्टीट्यूड एंड इंग्लिश आल्सो कंसिस्ट तो
Yes, sir.
आपका उन सब्जेक्ट की तरफ कैसा रवैया था मतलब आपने कब प्रिपरेशन का स्टार्ट किया पहले से आपने किया कि एंड में जाके कहीं आपने शुरू किया उनका वो स्ट्रेटेजी कैसे था आपका
Sir, aptitude I didn't focus too much, because for
ओके
GATE aptitude is always on easier side.
ओके
वो easily हो जाता है aptitude and
राइट
English.
हाँ
But for mathematics, when I gave my mains exam on 18th October, so in engineering services mains, mathematics is not there. It is in prelims.
राइट
So
राइट
काफी टाइम तक मैथ्स की प्रिपरेशन नहीं हुई थी, कट आउट हो
राइट
गया था काफी टाइम से. So
राइट
after giving my mains, I started focusing more on mathematics and alongside I prepared technical subjects also for
राइट राइट, मतलब इंटेंशनली आपने मैथ्स के ऊपर भी बहुत ज्यादा फोकस किया था, मतलब
यस
ऐसे?
सर, यस
राइट
सर,
राइट
लास्ट के 1-2 मंथ्स में, क्योंकि
राइट राइट राइट
मेंस में नहीं पढ़ पाए थे मैथ्स,
राइट।
सिलेबस में
और
नहीं होता है।
ओके ओके ओके, तो मतलब ये स्टूडेंट्स को जानना बहुत जरूरी है कि व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट गेट, मैथमेटिक्स एज वेल एज एप्टीट्यूड भी इज प्लेइंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल टू
यस
सिक्योर
सर,
रैंक, देयर
यस
इज नो
सर,
डिनाइंग फैक्ट। राइट
यस
राइट।
सर, यस सर, डेफिनेटली।
अगर हम अब टेक्निकल सब्जेक्ट की बात करेंगे,
यस सर।
टेक्निकल कोर ऑफ सिविल इंजीनियरिंग, तो अमॉन्ग्स विच एवर सब्जेक्ट्स आर देयर, उनमें से कौन से ऐसे टॉपिक थे कि वहां पे आपने ज्यादा फोकस किया, कि आपको लगा कि दिस टॉपिक्स आर इंपॉर्टेंट, वहां पे ज्यादा आपने स्ट्रेस दिया, मतलब कौन सा ऐसे वो एरियाज थे, और कौन से ऐसे एरियाज थे जहां पे आपने बोला कि हाँ ये टॉपिक्स इवन इफ आई डोंट रीड और इवन इफ आई रीड लाइक दैट तो इट विल बी ओके, ऐसा कौन सा प्रिपरेशन स्ट्रेटजी था आपका, कौन से वो सब्जेक्ट्स थे?
Okay, sir. So first of all, there is nothing such as important or unimportant in GATE. पढ़ना सर सब कुछ पढ़ता है. Only thing
Okay.
is, the thing which is asked more in previous year, you can study that more number of times as compared to other subjects.
Okay, okay.
This year there was a big example. Generally from construction management, no questions are asked. Hardly 1 or 2 questions, 1 mark, 2 mark. This year 5 to 6 marks of that questions were asked.
Okay, okay, right, right, right.
So GATE is highly unpredictable. Although we can say that there are certain subjects such as soil mechanics, highway engineering, environmental engineering. ये ऐसे सब्जेक्ट्स हैं, इनमें से तो पूछेंगे ही पूछेंगे, उसका कुछ नहीं किया जाता.
Right,
But
right.
those uncertain subjects also need to be covered properly if you want to secure a good rank.
Right. So we can extract one beautiful line from here. When you go for preparation of GATE examination, we know that whichever the topics where the questions are coming, question would come, but it is unpredictable also. If you
Yes,
want to
sir.
score below 100 or below 10 rank, then equal importance should be given to all particular
All the
subjects. You
subjects.
must
Yes,
read
sir.
that very
Yes,
thoroughly.
sir.
That's very
Yes, sir.
important. If you
Yes, sir.
want below 10 or below 100, we are not
Yes,
talking
yes, sir.
about other students, but this is important. Very good.
Yes,
Very
sir.
great.
Yes, sir.
And now when you talk about a test series, so
Yes,
you join ACE test series, right?
Yes, sir.
So can you tell us about what was the level of ACE test series in comparison to GATE examination? Was it bit of harder side or lighter, or is it in compatible parameter to the GATE examination, and how it helps for your preparation?
Sir, some of the tests were on harder side, some of the tests were on the same level, I can say.
Okay.
All tests were not on harder side, some were on same level, I can say. And one of the main point of the ACE test series is that is only available in ACE test series, that analysis of each question is there, that how many students have corrected that question, what percentage of question have, what percentage of students have attempted that question and corrected that question. That is a very unique feature in ACE test series, I can say, that helps in analyzing our performance relative to the other students.
Right. Relative mapping you could be able to done with this.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Question wise relative mapping.
Question wise relative. It's very
Yes, sir.
very important.
Yes, sir.
And जब आप वो टेस्ट सीरीज अपीयर हो रहे थे,
Yes,
so
sir.
what was the rank and the score you used to secure there?
Sir, I actually opt for the test series for GATE 2020 preparation.
Okay.
In 2020, my rank was not that good. It was 462. So during that time, I used to get in top 50 or top 40. 2021, I didn't give test series, any test series. That was a just outcome of my ESC preparation. 2021.
Right.
So I don't know in 2021 what would have been my rank in test series.
Right.
Yes, sir.
मतलब, but आपका rank was used to be there in below 50 somewhere.
Yes, sir. During
And
2020.
we can extract one thing, that means if your rank is coming below 100, below 50, that means there is a possible chance that you will score below 10 or below 20 also. क्योंकि
yes, sir, we can say.
जो performance है improve हुआ है, a lot,
Yes, sir,
lot
improve.
leaps and bounds.
Yes, sir.
Right. Let's see that now as you are all India rank 6, and there is no hidden thought that most of the juniors are looking at you as an inspiration now.
Yes,
And
sir.
you must also face that so many calls you must have received, so many students must have been taking so much of advice from you. So आप क्या बोलना चाहोगे इनको कि how to prepare or when to join GATE coaching test series, कि क्या आप मैसेज दोगे इस प्लेटफॉर्म से, so that they will start preparing and they are will be like one of you in future areas.
Sir, my general मेरी पहली गाइडेंस ये रहेगी बच्चों के लिए कि फॉर एग्जांपल if you want to prepare effectively for GATE and ESC, I will talk about both. Then you can start your channelized preparation in final year or third year. but you need to develop your interest in your subject. First step is developing your interest in that subject and clearing your fundamentals. After that, you have to prepare for whatever competitive exam you're thinking of. So
Correct.
to develop that interest, you need to be sincere in college, I would say.
Right.
You need to give your college exam sincerely. Not don't take tension about the marks you are getting from your college results. Just you need to make sure that your fundamentals are cleared from college only, from college itself, so that when you prepare for any exam in a channelized way, then it won't take much time for cracking that exam.
Correct.
This would
Correct.
be my major ये बहुत important guidance होगी मेरी.
Right, right. I love that statement that first of all, you should love the preparation and should
Yes, sir.
create interest into your subject.
Yes, sir.
Fundamentals should fall in line. And then once you start preparing, every other things will fall in line. It's not like a burden on your shoulder
Yes,
that I have
yes,
to prepare
sir.
like that.
Yes,
And this
sir.
preparation can be start from second year itself. So when you
Yes,
start
sir.
your engineering, it itself
sir.
is a preparation for competitive
Yes, sir.
examination.
Yes, sir.
You should start learning things from that.
Yes,
Right,
sir.
right.
The day you take admission in first year, your preparation starts from that day only.
Right, right, right. But that vision has to be there. That
vision has to be, yes, sir.
basic requirement is the vision that you should
Yes, sir.
decide.
Yes, sir.
You have to appear that. Yeah,
Yes,
wonderful,
sir.
wonderful, wonderful.
क्योंकि सर मेजर बच्चों के साथ कभी कभी प्रॉब्लम होता है कि थर्ड ईयर फोर्थ ईयर से स्टार्ट करते हैं और तब तक एबीसीडी भी नहीं पता होता इंजीनियरिंग का.
Right,
तो
right, right,
एक
right.
1 to 2 years इंटरेस्ट डेवलप करने में लग जाते हैं, तो वो उस टाइम को वेस्ट होने से बचाया जा सकता है.
Correct, 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 correct. Right. I hope so. By looking your video, most of the juniors will take it up to the very seriously, and they will start preparing very early. They'll follow your path. I think so. Once again, very heartfelt congratulations for your hard and success, and wish you all the luck for your future endeavor. Whatever you want, you will secure. I think so. Keep doing hard work. Right.
Yes, sir.
All the best. Take care.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.